x sin x divided by 1 plus sin x into dx. Limit is 0 to pi. Solution. First consider, let I is equal to 0 to pi x sin x divided by 1 plus sin x into dx. Now I am going to use another property. This property is well known for you. Limit 0 to a f of x into dx is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x into dx. The same property we used in previous sum. 0 to a, this a I want to use into a minus x. Now keep it 1 after assuming let I equal to keep it is 1. Once again I is equal to 0 to pi. Here a is nothing but pi. Here a is pi. Apply here. What is x here? Pi minus x. We told no, a minus x. A minus x. Here pi minus x. Sin pi minus x divided by 1 plus sin pi minus x into dx. If we are going to check, I is equal to integration of 0 to pi minus x sin 180 minus theta, or sin 180 minus x is lies in second quadrant. Sin pi minus x is once again sin x. Sin pi minus x is sin x. Okay, divide by 1 plus sin pi minus x nothing but sin x into dx. Now multiply sin here. What comes? Pi sin x. Multiply here. Minus x sin x divided by 1 plus sin x into dx. 0 to pi. So keep it as equation 2. 1 plus 2. What I done? I am adding 1. This is equation 1. This is equation 2. 1 plus 2. I plus I. 2i. Very careful. While adding this one, the same integration, put only one integration 0 to pi. Dx is also common. So write 1 plus sin x, 1 plus sin x same. So divide by 1 plus sin x. I am adding no. So no problem. 1 plus sin x, 1 plus sin x. Denominator same. So I can put 1 plus sin x, x sin x. Here plus pi sin x. Here minus x sin x. Since denominator is same, I can put 1 plus sin x alone. Numerator we need to add x sin x, pi sin x, x sin x into dx. Now this both will be cancelled. So 2i is equal to 0 to pi. What is present here? Pi is constant. Put it outside. So remaining is sin x divided by 1 plus sin x into dx is equal to pi is remains outside. 0 to pi sin x divide by 1 plus sin x. I am going to make conjugate 1 minus sin x divided by 1 minus sin x into dx. I have done a conjugate. So put 2i is equal to pi integration of 0 to pi sin x into 1 is nothing but sin x minus sin x into sin x is sin square x. A plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square, 1 minus sin square x into dx you need to write here. So sin x, here put it pi as it is, 0 to pi sin x minus sin square x divided by 1 minus sin square x, we can write cos square x into dx. Formula, trigonometric identity, 1 minus sin square x we can write as cos square x. Now 2i is equal to 0 to pi. 2i is equal to 0 to pi sin x divided by this cos square x. I can write as cos x into cos x minus sin square x divided by cos square x into dx. I think you can easily understand. Sin square x divided by cos square x, sin x divided by cos square x, sin square x divided by cos square x. Sin x by cos square x, this cos square x I can write cos x, sin square x divided by cos square x. So repetition of 0 to pi sin x by cos x I can write as tan x, 1 by cos x I can write as secant x. See, sin x by cos x tan x, 1 by cos x secant x minus sin square x cos square x we can write as tan square x into dx. Now 2i is equal to tan x secant x. Tan x secant x integration is secant x. Tan x secant x integration is secant x. You need to learn must. But what is the problem is here tan square x. This tan square x doesn't have integration. So this tan square x I am going to convert as secant square x. Secant square x plus 1. If you want to see, I will write the formula. What is the formula here? Secant square x minus tan square x is equal to 1. What is minus tan square x? Better we can check minus tan square x. So it comes this in 1 minus tan square x is equal to 1 minus secant square x. Because I need minus tan square x. So I can write 1 minus secant square x. So integration of 1 is x plus x. Listen students carefully. Each and everything I can't able to put each and everything because the sum is becoming very lengthy. So you need to do mind calculation. Tan x and secant x integration is secant x minus tan square x. There is no integration for tan square x. So no integration for tan square x. We know the formula secant square x minus tan square x is equal to 1. What we need? Minus tan square x. So minus tan square we need means this secant square x move this side. 1 minus secant square x. So this minus tan square x I can write 1 minus secant square x. Integration of 1 is x minus integration of secant square x nothing but tan x. Differentiate of tan x secant square x. Integration of secant square x tan x. Close the answer is 0 to pi. First apply upper limit. Secant pi plus pi minus tan pi. Upper limit minus secant 0 plus 0 minus tan 0. Tan 0. 2i is equal to. So how are we going to find the answer for this? If we are going to find secant pi, we know cos pi value. Cos pi value is minus 1. Therefore, secant pi is nothing but 1 by cos pi. Therefore, 1 by minus 1 is minus 1. So, minus 1 plus pi. Tan pi value is 0. Right as a minus. Secant 0. We know cos 0 value is 1. Secant 0 value is nothing but 1 by cos 0. Nothing but 1 by 1 is 1. 1. Tan 0 is fully 0. So write as it is. So minus 1 plus pi minus 1. Okay. Minus 1 minus 2 plus pi. You see here one pi is remaining outside. So write pi is remaining outside for all the things. Pi is remaining outside. This is 2i. This 2 comes down. Therefore, I is equal to pi by 2 minus 2 plus pi. Otherwise, we can multiply pi inside. Minus 2 pi plus pi square by 2. So, both answers are correct only. If you are going to keep pi, this pi remains outside. So, I forgot to write pi. So, write pi and finally, you need to multiply this pi inside. Minus 2 pi, pi into pi square. So minus 2 pi plus pi square, this 2 is on left hand side, comes down, nothing but 2, that's all.